up? Welcome back, or if you're new here, hi, my name is ARA and this is my channel. So anyway guys, for today's video, this is just super simple, this is super short lang. I will be doing my simple everyday makeup look. So basically, it's my go-to makeup look. The makeup that I do when I have some errands, when I go to the mall, the grocery, or yeah, nothing special. So this is also best for beginners. So if you're interested for this video, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so please, wag nyo na lang i-mind ito guys ha, kasi meron akong ngayon. Grabe, my skin is not at its best right now. So, yeah. So, minus kaayo mag-makeup yan yung style namin. All of the things that I need and will use are all here. So, yeah. Just please bear with the makeup tutorial that I will be doing now. Kasi I think it has already been a while since the last time that I did a makeup tutorial. So, ayan guys, oh, this is the mirror that I'm gonna be using now. And binili ko pa to sa, Miniso, malapit sa school namin. And I miss face-to-face classes. Oh, speaking of face-to-face classes, guys, if you guys want me to do an online class makeup tutorial, just comment it down below. Anyway, for today's video, guys, I am not gonna be using any foundation kasi this is just an everyday natural makeup look and I do not put foundation on a day-to-day basis. So first is I'm gonna use wait lang, dugan nagigkik ko wala na vlog. So I'm gonna be using this oil control liquid makeup in the shade natural. So konti lang talaga for parang tinted siya. BB cream siya from Careline. So, ayan. Konti lang talaga. And also, what I super love about this BB cream nila, guys, is dewy pa rin siya. Hindi siya matte. Hindi matte yung finish niya. And I am super in love with makeup product na hindi matte yung finish. Kasi I am so in love na parang dewy pa konti yung look mo. Grabe, nakaka-distract. Ano na lang natin yung concealer later. Grabe, ang sakit mo. Ang laki po. So, ayun guys. My skin is not at its best right now kasi meron ako ngayon. So, now we are done. And the next is, I'm gonna be using this Careline concealer in the shade natural. Natural pa rin. Kasi nga, natural everyday makeup look. Cover na lang natin pa para maganda sa mamaya sa montage and sa picture. Oh, ang sakit! Ouch! Kasi malapit na yata siyang tumatok eh. Wala, hindi pa rin siya nako-cover kasi ano siya, may pus. Sa next makeup look na lang tayo. Walang pimple. And then, lagyan natin konti yung dito natin. So, ito super simple lang talaga nito guys ha. There's nothing special about this because this is just my natural everyday makeup look. Ayan. Grabe guys, ang init dito sa Cagayan de Oro. So, ayan. And then, pag-ganyan natin siya. And then, I will also be using this oil control mattifying loose powder ng Careline in the shade Sugar. Guys, ako lahat, fingers lang talaga use ko mag-makeup. As in, ito lang talaga yung ano ko. Kasi nakita nyo guys, parang hindi siya even sa skin tone ko compared to this one. Ito, wala ko pa nalagyan ng powder and then this one nakalagyan ko na. Kasi, hindi kasi siya nai-even out pag ganun lang. Kasi medyo brownie siya sa akin. That's why I will apply this sugar na powder. Pag masakit, pabayaan nyo na. Sakit talaga, I swear. I think, siguro bukas, putok na to. Next is for my brows, I am using this. Wait lang, may tao. Wait. Kasi malapit na mag-ulan. Buti everyday natural makeup look lang. Madalian lang. Next is I'm using this Blythe Perfect Brow 213 Graphite, yung shade. So for brows, I am obsessed with natural looking brows. That's why sa brows ko is I am not into on fleek brows. Ayan, ganoon lang talaga, konti lang. Parang doon lang talaga sa parts na may parang may kulang. Mascara. Yes, mascara nilalagay ko sa So guys, a lot of you were commenting on my vlogs na how do I do my bushy brows. Ito na yun guys. So, I think this one is waterproof. And I'm not sure kung saan ito mabibili, guys. Kasi binigay lang to sa akin ng tita ko. But anyway, any mascara will do naman. As long as it's black. Yan. So, ayan siya, guys. Ganito lang ginagawa ko. Ayan. So, this is just my brows. And then next is lashes naman. Lashes. So, I'm gonna be using this eyelash curler. You can buy this sa Watsons lang din. I'm not sure with the brand of this one. Make sure na if you are going to buy eyelash curler, it's in good quality. Kasi there are a lot of eyelash curlers out there na hindi siya in good quality. Baka maputol pa yung lashes niyo. And then I'm also gonna be using the mascara that I used on my eyebrow. And then guys, another tip when you do your mascara, make sure na parang left and right yung motion ng pag-apply. Ayan. So guys, diba? Ang laki ng difference. Parang alive talaga yung face ko. It's really important talaga sa akin na naka-mascara ako kasi super alive na ng eyes ko. I will apply this Careline Oil Control Blush on. So, as usual, ang applicator ko is still my hands. Still my fingers pala. Gusto ko nung pag everyday natural makeup look, gusto ko yung parang drunk blush look effect. Ganun yung everyday. Iba-blend ko pa yan later. And lalagyan natin ng powder. Ayan. So now we're almost done. Ito na naman. I'm gonna use this Careline Glow Getter kasi we are going to apply some highlights sa face natin. Ooh, highlights. Ang highlight, guys, is important din yan sa akin kasi parang siyang, yun siya yung nakaka-add ng parang dewy look. So, if you guys wanna know the secret to parang my dewy look, then it's just highlighter. Tingnan nyo, thank you. Sure. And then I put dito din, guys, nilalagyan ko dito konti. Ayan. For the lips, I'm not sure din, guys, saan to nabili kasi binigay lang to sa akin ng sister ko. I'm using this Mamon ba yan? Creamy Tint Color Balm Intense, number 23, Brick Rose. Fingers ko lang din ginagamit ko para hindi masyado ganun yung pigmentation ba tawag yan? Sorry guys, I'll just bear with the makeup tutorial that I have. Ayan guys, so this is the finished product of the look that we are going to create now. So as you can see, nothing much changed talaga. I'm gonna give you a montage in 3, 2, 1. Wait.